Guys, welcome back to another video. Dusty here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. So if you want to change your name, then follow the steps of this video and you can do so. So go in the upper right hand corner, click on your channel icon there, and then right next to where you see Creator Studio, go and click on the gear icon. It says YouTube settings. So for those of you who don't know, I just recently changed my channel name. I want to brand it more around myself, my first and last name, as you can see here, Dusty Porter. But in order to edit your name, you're going to have to do it over on your Google page. So go to edit on Google right there next to your name, just like that there. It's going to take you to your Google About Me page. As you can see here, my name shows up as Dusty Porter. Now, what you're going to want to do here is select that text and then retype your new name. So go ahead and type in your new channel name there and then click OK. Now, when you do this, it's going to say changing your name here will change it in all of Google products. Is that what you want to do? You'll hit OK and you're good to go. And if you notice, you can also change your profile image right here as well. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to change my name. If it takes you to the control panel of your Google page here, you can just click the little pencil icon right there, and that'll take you to where you can change your name. Now, if you signed up for YouTube as a brand, it will say, hey, you are a brand on YouTube. Are you sure you want to do this? This will change your brand name. Now, this, however, will not change your URL. If you want to have a custom YouTube URL, I will show you how to do that in another video, but right now, this is just changing your name, how it looks on YouTube. Like right now, I have jumped over to a YouTube video. As you can see, my name shows up as my first and last name. Also, when I comment, it shows as my first and last name. So whatever name you want to be seen as on your YouTube channel, that can be changed by following these very simple steps. If you got any questions about this, guys, put those in the comments section below. If you're into YouTube, want to grow your YouTube channel, listen to my podcast, YouTube Creators Hub. Link will also be in the description. And until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.